Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the headlights on Toyota Auris. To get access to the headlights, you need to remove the front bumper. First, we start by removing this plastic cover. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the front bumper. To remove the bumper, we need to remove the bolts holding the bumper on top. There is these bolts that I'm showing you. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the bumper on the bottom. Next, we're going to remove the plastic clips that are holding the bumper on the side. That's one of them, and that's the other. This plastic clip, you need to turn it and then pull it out. The other plastic clip that holds the bumper is this one right there. You need to turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out again because it's a plastic clip. Now that the two plastic clips are removed, you can just pull out the bumper on this side and you can see it got separated from the wing. And you need to do the same on the other side. Again, two plastic clips, you need to turn them and then pull them out. Next, we're going to remove the front bumper. We just need to pull it out on this side and then pull it on the other side, and it will come out. Now that the front bumper is removed, we have access to the headlights. Headlights are held by a couple of bolts, one there, one down there, one on the side, and I think there is one up there also. and it's the same on the other side. 2 bolts on top, one on the bottom there and one on the side right there. Next we'll remove the bolts. Now that the bolts are removed, we can pull out the headlight, and the only thing left is to disconnect the electrical connector for the headlight. There's 4 electrical connectors that we need to disconnect, and then we can take out the headlight. The procedure to remove the other headlight is exactly the same. Putting the headlight on is in the reversal. You just put it in its place and tighten the bolts. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.